you struggle in the summer to get all of your housework done? Finding the harmony between work, life, kids, etc. Introducing a weekly reset routine can help to set you and your future week up for success. I know it can be overwhelming and the to-do list truly feels never ending between the busy of evening sports schedules, a messy house, keeping up on laundry and other household tasks, and again, just trying to balance everything can sometimes feel like a lot. It hinders our productivity, reduces time spent together as a family, and without a clear plan, it is so easy to procrastinate. So this is why introducing a weekly reset routine is extremely beneficial, and my hope with today's video and sharing my weekly reset routine with you is that I not only give you all of the cleaning motivation that you need today to tackle your mess and clean along with me, as always, but I also hope that this video can be your step-by-step guide in implementing a new weekly reset routine as a busy working mom. So go ahead, grab a piece of paper. You might want to take some notes today as we are diving into it. So the first step is looking at your calendar and assessing your week. Where do you have the most obligations and where do you have the most flexibility? Weekends are often ideal because they provide more uninterrupted time. Sunday's a very popular choice as it sets the tone for an upcoming week. However, Saturday can be just as effective if you prefer to keep your family time and relaxation for Sundays. The key is it has to work for you, right? And your family. And then you got to stay consistent with it to help build that habit for long-term success. A common misconception of a weekly reset routine is that it takes too much time when in reality, it only has to take an hour or two. While cleaning your home is a huge component to your weekly reset routine, it encompasses so much more, such as planning your week and taking some time to recharge and just getting the house back in order. And I'm gonna dive deeper into some of my weekly reset routine tasks throughout the video. So be sure to watch the whole video so that you see what that all entails. My weekly reset routine usually starts off in the kitchen because when the heart of the home is clean, I can then focus on other tasks. We just finished clearing the countertops as you saw and unloading the dishwasher, and now it is ready to be filled throughout the day. Another cleaning task that I like to do is give my kitchen sink a really good scrub. We are going to do that really shortly here, but let's first talk about the actual benefits of a weekly reset routine before we get into some of those other tasks that you can implement. So some of the benefits that I have found when it comes to implementing a weekly reset routine is it obviously reduces stress. By dedicating time each week to reset your house, you can reduce the daily stresses that come from a cluttered home and mind. It also increases your productivity because, again, you have a plan and it becomes a habit like brushing your teeth. Rather than taking up mental space, your mind is clear and you get more done during the week, so it's easier to maintain. And lastly, you'll end up spending way less time cleaning and managing chaos and have more time to spend enjoying the precious moments with your family. I am a firm believer in routines and structure because I've personally seen how it affects our family. With that being said, if you are finding value so far in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out as a smaller creator and just helps this video to get pushed out to more people like you who might enjoy it and find value in it. Also, comment below if you currently have a weekly reset routine. What day do you do yours on? With my weekly reset routine, it usually consists of a lot of cleaning. The daily tidy up and clean is different. So my weekly task consists of things like deep cleaning, right? So cleaning all of the bathrooms, scrubbing the toilets, vacuuming and mopping the whole house, deep cleaning the kitchen sink as you can see here, and catching up on all of the laundry. I also like to give our dining room table and chairs a really good wipe down. Now, when it comes to tasks other than cleaning, I like to do a huge fridge clean out, declutter and reorganize, and just get ready for our weekly grocery haul. What are some tasks that you like to do when you're doing your weekly reset routine? I'd love to know. Drop them below in the comments. this is where you're going to want to take note. Some other tasks that you could implement into your weekly reset routine is meal planning. Decide on breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week ahead, and add whatever items you need to your grocery list for your planned meals. Planning your week is another popular activity, so check your planner, note appointments, important dates, kids' activities, and create a to-do list to prioritize tasks for the upcoming week. This helps get everything out of your brain onto paper. I like to call it a brain dump as well, and it is highly beneficial if you are mentally feeling overwhelmed. Self-Care Sunday is another fun thing to implement, so do something for you that brings you joy. Maybe it's part of your skincare routine and you add in a fun face mask and exfoliate. Maybe you take a long bath or meditate, or maybe you do a fun workout dance class like myself for you. The point is that you find something that you love and enjoy doing, and you take time to recharge, refuel, and just get ready for the week ahead. You cannot pour from an empty cup, my friend. The next one doesn't have to do with a weekly reset, but this is something that I like to do the evening before we have something, and that is to pack your bags. So prepare work bags ahead of time, school bags when we head back to school. If you have a day trip somewhere or a beach trip or like whatever it is, prepare all of your bags the day or evening before to help relieve some of that morning chaos and stress. I'm gonna share what I think is one of the most impactful tasks soon, so stick around for that. And if you haven't already subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button for all things home motivation. I share a ton of cleaning and homemaking motivation, decluttering, and just teaching you how to simplify your home and life, as well as home DIYs and room transformation. So again, all things home motivation. I'd love for you to join our growing YouTube family. One of the tasks that I have found that has made a huge impact on my week is to veggie prep. When I get home from the grocery store, I like to do my restocking, which you're gonna see shortly here after we get back from the store. But my idea of meal prepping is actually just to prep all of my veggies. So I don't plan like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I plan my veggies. So I like to cut up a veggie tray every single week, and then I cut up broccoli and cauliflower, but I don't wash those. I just cut them, that's it. And that helps to relieve a lot of the dinner prep stress come 4 o'clock. I also like to cut up watermelon in the summer for the week. I mean, we live in a beach house and constantly have kids coming and going, so I always like to have some healthy snacks prepped and ready. The only thing I do not prep ahead of time is my berries. I recommend any mom, especially busy moms out there, to make time to veggie prep. And lastly, as you can see here, get your family involved in some age-appropriate household chores. Once a week, we fold the laundry in this house, and my kids are responsible for helping put their clothes away because, as we know, teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, we just got back from the grocery store, and truthfully, this wouldn't be a weekly reset without a grocery haul. So let's go ahead and do a really quick grocery haul. Okay, so here is a quick little overhaul of the groceries that we got. I spent just under $200 for this. Literally, it's nothing. You're probably gonna hear my kids in the background as we are on summer break, and it's just chaos here, so I apologize in advance. I did not buy a lot of meat because we actually get our meat order that we've been getting for months now tomorrow, but I did get some of this free from chicken wings. I got 3 packs of the free from bacon and then a rotisserie chicken for dinner tonight. This is the yogurt that we buy. I've been using this for a really long time by Silk. It's a coconut-based yogurt, and it's really good. Lots of sugar, but the girls love it, and that's what they eat for yogurt. We just got 1 pack of berries because, you know, we're breaking the bank here. I'm kind of kidding, but yeah, this was like $5.99. And the strawberries and stuff were super overpriced and they looked awful. So I definitely was not spending the money on any of the berries when they just look like crap. They're moldy, you know? So I was like, no. Eggs, we got 2 cartons. I was gonna get a 3rd, but I just figured I'd go back in a couple days if my husband eats these all. We eat a lot of eggs in this house. Then we got some bananas. I got some peaches, they were on sale, so that's what we got for fruit. and it'll probably last us like 2 days. Then I got some broccoli. I'm gonna make some broccoli salad. I got cucumbers. The girls love cucumbers and they love snacking on them. I got a cheese bun for them to have for lunch with just like some free from ham and then cucumbers on top. I got vinegar. I've been toying around with vinegar and baking soda for cleaning. And then I got some lettuce. I also got this Buffalo Ranch salad kit. This is something that I used to buy a lot. I honestly do not love the ingredients, but it's sometimes better than the alternative of me just like not eating and then completely destroying my kids' snacks. So I also crave salad in the summer, like it's going out of style. I got this Siete taco seasoning just for a really quick meal. I usually pre-mix my own, but I just haven't had time lately. We've been really busy in the summer. Just honest, not even busy, just enjoying the beach. And yeah, so things get put on the back burner. And so I do like little, obviously if you can tell, quick things in the summer compared to like normal. These were on sale. These are like our favorite bars, not because they have fiber in them, but just because they are delicious. So they were on sale. We got one each. The cinnamon, there's a lemon, and then the girls saw this one and had to get it. So I said, fine. And those will be like a treat. And then I also got some of this Bob's Red Mill baking soda, baking powder, and pre-made pancake mix. So this I don't normally buy, but it's really nice to have for, I don't actually use it for pancakes, I make it for waffles. I've been making my sourdough pancakes that are so good. And so I got this for, again, a quick, if I like need a quick breakfast. Then I got some garlic, some of this Cholula stuff for my Caesars, and then they didn't have any of my Walter Caesar mix that I love, so whatever. And then last but not least, some quick oats for a easy breakfast. So just under $200 for half of a counter. Another thing I like to do during my weekly reset routine is add in some of my silent to-do list tasks. On this day particularly, that consisted of cleaning these windows and dusting above them / like in the corners of our living room. Truthfully, I don't remember the last time I dusted this area. I guess it was probably after Christmas when I took down all of our Christmas decor, so it's been a solid 6 months and let's just say it shows. Watering my houseplants falls within my weekly reset routine as well, which, if you're wondering, in the summer I do my weekly reset routine on Saturdays. It's just when it ends up working out for our schedule, truthfully, and as we head back into like school and the fall, that's going to change, and I can definitely share my updated routine come the end of September when we're like back into the new routine and the swing of things. But just know it's okay for your weekly reset to change during different seasons of life and during the summertime. Now we're gonna put our living room back together so I can vacuum and mop. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is something that I like to do weekly as I cannot stand sand and crumbs on the floors. We do have a robot vacuum, and yes, I run it daily, but truthfully, nothing cleans as good as my rainbow vacuum. The suction on this vacuum is incredible. It helps to purify the air, and it's approved by the Allergy and Asthma Association. So I definitely like to whip out this bad boy once a week to really get a good clean in. It's really heavy though. I mean, I'm used to it now, but I still often think about buying a cordless stick vacuum for quick and easy cleanups. As a professional cleaner, I cannot stand using a broom and a dustbin. While yes, I do sometimes use it because we don't have a cordless vacuum and it's more convenient than lugging out this big machine to do like that quick sweep of the floors, but it definitely doesn't clean as good as this vacuum. I know this video was jam-packed with ideas and tips, and I truly hope that this inspires you to create your own weekly reset routine if you don't have one already. And if you do, please share one thing that you do that is part of your weekly reset routine that helps you set your week up for success. If you still need more cleaning motivation, be sure to check out this video here on the screen. We will see you next week for another motivational video. Bye!